Welcome to Cruz TV, Algebra on the Go. Ang pag-uusapan po natin for today is extraneous solutions of radical equations, grade 9 math. So pag sinabi pong extraneous solution, ito po yung nakuha nating value ng x sa isang equation. Then pag chinek po natin, sinubstitute po natin sa original equation, it does not fit, it does not work, hindi po siya mag-i-equal. So, yun po yung tinatawag nating extraneous solution. So, proceed po tayo sa ating example number 1. Square root of x plus 4 is equals to 2 minus square root of x plus 16. So, ang una po natin gagawin is to isolate one radical. So, kung mapapansin po natin sa ating example, naka-isolate na po yung isang radical, nakahiwalay na po. So, ang gagawin po natin is kokopyahin po natin ulit. So, we have square root of x plus 4 is equals to 2 minus square root of x plus 16. Then, squared po natin both sides of the equation para po makancel itong radical symbol, ito pong square root. So, we have to cancel this. Matitira po dito is x plus 4 is equals to, so ito pong quantity 2 minus square root of x plus 16 squared. Ang ibig sabihin po nito is dalawang quantity po na ganito. Okay, so i-copy po natin dito sa ibaba. So we have 2 minus square root of x plus 16. Okay, dalawa po, no? So 2 minus square root of x plus 16. Then x plus 4 is equals to, then multiply po natin using the FOIL method. Okay, so 2 times 2, that is 4. Then 2 times negative square root of x plus 16, that is negative 2 square root of x plus 16. Then negative square root of x plus 16 times 2, that is negative 2 square root of x plus 16. Okay, so tinapat ko na po dahil ito po yung ating like terms. Then, last term, so we have negative square root of x plus 16 times negative square root of x plus 16. That is positive x plus 16. Then x plus 4 is equals to 4. Then, combine po natin itong like terms natin. So, negative 2 square root of x plus 16 minus 2 square root of x plus 16, that is negative 4 square root of x plus 16 plus x plus 16. Then, simplify po natin ito. Combine po natin ang mga like terms. So, ang gagawin po natin is ito pong negative 4 square root of x plus 16. Transpose po natin dito sa my left side. So, negative 4 square root of x plus 16 transpose to the left side becomes positive 4 square root of x plus 16. Then equals, so we have x, then 4 plus 16, that is positive 20. Then, transpose po natin itong dalawa, x plus 4 dito po sa may right side. So, positive x becomes negative x. Then, positive 4 transpose to the right side. So, becomes negative 4. Then, makakancel po itong x and negative x. So, we have 4 square root of x plus 16 is equals to, okay, na-cancel na po natin. So, 20 minus 4, that is 16. So, the same process ang gagawin natin para ma-eliminate po ito. We have to square root. We have to squared both sides of the equation. Katulad po ng ginawa natin dito. Okay, squared po natin. Both sides of the equation. So, makakancel po ito. Makakancel. So, ito pong 4, imumultiply natin ng 2 beses. Kasi po, in-squared po natin. Okay, so i-continue po natin dito. So, we have 4 times 4, that is 16. Times the quantity. So, matitira po dito dahil na-cancel na yung square root, x plus 16. Then, equals, okay, so 16 squared So, ibig sabihin, 16 times 16. That is 256. Then, distribute po natin using distributive property of multiplication. So, 16 times x, that is 16x. Okay. Ulitin lang natin. 16x. Then, 16 times 16, that is positive 256. Is equals to 256. Then, 16x is equals to 256. Then, transpose natin. Positive 256 to the right side. So, becomes negative 256. Then, 16x is equals to, so, positive 256 minus 256, that is 0. So, divide natin both sides of the equation by 16. So, makakancel po ito, makakancel. So, x is equals to 0 divided by 16. That is 0. So, we have the value of x. X is equals to 0. Ngayon, i-check po natin kung nakuha nating value is extraneous solution. Okay, so i-copy po natin yung original equation. So, we have square root of x plus 4 is equals to 2 minus square root of x plus 16. Then, substitute po natin yung value ng x is equals to 0 dito po. So, we have 0 plus 4 is equals to 2 minus square root of 0 plus 16. Then, square root of 0 plus 4, that is 4, is equals to 2 minus square root of 0 plus 16, that is 16. Then, square root of 4, that is 2, is equals to 2 minus square root of 16, that is 4. Then, di na po magkakasya. So, i-continue po natin dito. So, we have 2 is equals to 2 minus 4, that is negative 2. Okay, so hindi po siya nag-equal. So, therefore, x is equals to 0 is an extraneous solution. Example number 2, square root of 4x squared plus 2x plus 7 plus 4x is equals to 5. So, ang una po natin gagawin is to isolate one radical. So, ito pong square root of 4x squared plus 2x plus 7. So, maiiwan po yan dito sa my left side. Square root of 4x squared plus 2x plus 7 is equals to, so we have 5. Then, transpose po natin itong 4x dito sa may right side. So, positive 4x becomes negative 4x. Okay. Then, squared po natin both sides of the equation. Then, cancel po ito. Then, cancel po ito. So, we have 4x squared plus 2x plus 7 is equals to, so quantity 5 minus 4x squared. So, ang ibig sabihin po nito, dalawang quantity po na ganito. Okay, so i-copy po natin dito sa baba. So, quantity 5 minus 4x times the quantity 5 minus 4x. Then, 4x squared plus 2x plus 7 is equals to, so multiply po natin ito using the FOIL method. So, 5 times 5, that is 25. So, 5 times negative 4x, that is negative 20x. So, negative 4x times 5, that is negative 20x. The negative 4x times negative 4x, that is positive 16x squared. Then, we have 4x squared plus 2x plus 7 is equals to, so we have 25. Then, combining like terms, so negative 20x minus 20x, that is negative 40x plus 16x squared. Then, simplify po natin, combining like terms. Okay? So, ito pong lahat na nasa left side, transpose po natin dito sa my right side. So, we have 0 is equals to, so we have 16x squared. Okay, so, pag tabihin na po natin yung kanyang like term. So, meron po tayong 4x squared dito. Transpose to the right side, positive 4x squared becomes negative 4x squared. Then, we have negative 40x. Then, meron po siyang kapareho, positive 2x transpose to the right side becomes negative 2x. Then, we have positive 25. Then, positive 7 transpose to the right side becomes negative 7. So, we have 0 is equals to, so 16x squared minus 4x squared, that is 12x squared. The negative 40x minus 2x, that is negative 42x. Then, 25 minus 7, that is positive 18. Okay. So, meron na po tayong nakuwang equation. Ito po siya. So, ang gagawin po natin dito is ipapactor po natin itong 12x squared minus 42x plus 18. So, gagamit po tayo dito ng trial and error method. Okay, para makuha po ang factors ng 12x squared minus 42x plus 18. Okay, so, ang gagawin po natin, kunin muna natin ang factors ng 12x squared. So, itry po natin ang 4 times 3. Then, lagyan po natin dito ng x. So, 4 times 3, that is 12. X times x, that is x squared. So, 12x squared. Ito po yan. Then, ito pong positive 18. So, kunin po natin ang factors. So, pwede po nating gamitin dyan is 6 times 3. Okay, so we have 6 times 3. Then, positive po ito pero ang hinahanap natin is negative 42x. Ito po ang ating kailangan na makuha. Dito po sa magiging solution dito. So, gawin po nating negative ito, negative. So, negative times negative is positive. 6 times 3, that is 18. Okay. So, gawin po natin is multiply natin ito. So, 4x times negative 6, that is negative 24. Then, okay, multiply din po natin ito. 3x times negative 3, that is negative 9. Then, i-add po natin ito. Negative 24 minus 9. Okay, may x po yan dito. Okay, so negative 24x minus 9x, that is negative 33x. Okay, tama po ba dito? So, kulang. Maliit po ang negative 33x. Okay, so ang gagawin natin is buburahin po natin. Okay, so hanap po tayo ng ibang factors. So, 12x squared. So, gawin po nating 4 pa rin. X and 3x. Then, 18. Ang factors po niyan is pwedeng 9 times 2. Okay? So, negative pa rin ang ilalagay natin. Okay? So, negative times negative is positive. So, 9 times 2, that is 18. Okay? So, equals. So, i-multiply po natin. 4x times negative 9, that is 36. X negative. Then equals, so 3x times negative 2, that is negative 6x. Then i-add po natin, negative 36x minus 6x, that is negative 42x. Okay. So nakuha po natin yung middle term, magkapareho. So ito na po ang factors na hinahanap natin. Okay. So we have 3x minus 9, at ito po yung isa, 4x minus 2. So we have 0 is equals to quantity. So 4x minus 2 times the quantity 3x minus 9. So, ang gawin po natin, baliktarin po natin ito. Pwede pong mauna ito, yung dalawang quantity. So, we have quantity 4x minus 2 times the quantity 3x minus 9 is equals to 0. Okay. Then, burahin po natin ito. So, unahin po natin ito. 4x minus 2 is equals to 0. So we have 4x minus 2 is equals to 0. So we have 4x is equals to, so transpose po natin to the right side, negative 2 becomes positive 2. Then, divide natin both sides of the equation by 4. So cancelled, cancelled. So we have x is equals to 2 over 4. Then, kunin po natin yung factors ng 2. So we have 2 times 1 over, ang factors po ng 4 is 2 times 2. Ito po yun, i-reduce natin into lowest term. So we have cancel this. So x is equals to 1/2 or 1 over 2. Okay. So we have the first value of x. X is equals to 1/2. Then, kunin po natin yung pangalawang value ng x. 3x minus 9 is equals to 0. So we have 3x minus 9 is equals to 0. So we have 3x is equals to, so negative 9 transposed to the right side becomes positive 9. Then, divide both sides of the equation by 3. Cancelled, cancelled. So, x is equals to 9 divided by 3. That is 3. Okay. So, we have the second value of x is equals to 3. Then, i-check po natin sa ating original equation kung ano po dito sa dalawang value ng x ang extraneous solution. So, i-copy po natin yung original equation. So, we have square root of 4x squared plus 2x plus 7 plus 4x is equals to 5. Then, square root of 4. Then, unahin po natin itong x is equals to 3. So, substitute po natin dito. 3 squared plus 2 times 3 plus 7 plus 4 times 3 is equals to 5. Okay, ulang lang po natin ng konti para makita. Then, square root of 4. So, 3 squared is 3 times 3. That is 9. Plus 2 times 3. That is 6. Plus 7. Plus 4 times 3. That is 12. Is equals to 5. Then, square root of 4 times 9. That is 36. Plus 6 plus 7, that is 13. Plus 12 is equals to 5. So, hindi na po magkakasya. Magbubura lang tayo dito banda. So, i-continue po natin ito dito. So, we have 36 plus 13, that is 49. So we have square root of 49 plus 12 is equals to 5. Then square root of 49, that is 7 plus 12 is equals to 5. So 7 plus 12, that is 19 is equals to 5. Okay, so hindi po siya nag-equal. Okay, so therefore, x is equals to 3 is an extraneous solution. Okay, so ito po ay extraneous solution. So, itry po natin, x is equals to 1/2 kung mag-fit po dito sa ating original equation. So, substitute po natin yung isang value ng x is equals to 1/2 dito po sa ating original equation. So, we have square root of 4 times the quantity 1/2 squared plus 2 times 1/2 plus 7 plus 4 times 1/2 is equals to 5. So, we have square root of 4. So, 1/2 squared. So, ibig sabihin, 1/2 times 1/2, that is 1/4. Plus, so 2 times 1, that is 2/2. Okay, plus 7. Then plus, so 4 times 1, that is 4/2 is equals to 5. Then, square root of 4 times 1, that is 4. Divided by 4, that is 1. So, plus 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Then, plus 7. Plus 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Is equals to 5. So, square root of 1 plus 1, that is 2, plus 7, that is 9. Plus 2 is equals to 5. So, square root of 9, that is 3, plus 2 is equals to 5. So, 3 plus 2 is equals to 5, equals to 5. Okay, so nag-equal po. So, therefore, x is equals to 1/2 is the true solution. Example number 3, square root of 2x minus 2 minus square root of x plus 6 plus 1 is equals to 0. Then, ang una po natin gagawin is to isolate one radical. So, ihiwalay po natin ang isang radical. May iwan po dito sa may left side. So, ito po yan. Square root of 2x minus 2. Square root x minus 2 is equals. Then, ito pong mga kasama, transpose po natin dito sa my right side. So, we have positive 1. Transpose to the right side becomes negative 1. Then, negative square root of x plus 6 transpose to the right side, so becomes positive square root of x plus 6. Then, squared po natin both sides of the equation. Okay, so makakancel po ito. Makakancel po yung square root. So, matitira po dito is 2x minus 2 is equals to. So, ang ibig pong sabihin nito, quantity, negative 1 plus square root of x plus 6 is squared ay dalawang quantity po na ganito. Okay, so i-copy po natin dito. So, quantity, negative 1 plus square root of x plus 6 times the quantity, negative 1 plus square root of x plus 6. And then we have 2x minus 2 is equals to, then multiply po natin ito using the FOIL method. So negative 1 times negative 1, that is positive 1. Then negative 1 times square root of x plus 6, that is negative 1. Square root of x plus 6. Then square root of x plus 6 times negative 1, that is negative 1. Square root of x plus 6. Then square root of x plus 6 times square root of x plus 6, that is positive square root, x plus 6. So we have 2x minus 2 is equals to 1. Then combining like terms, negative 1 square root of x plus 6 minus 1 square root of x plus 6, that is negative 2 square root of x plus 6 plus x plus 6. Then, simplify po natin, combining like terms. So, ang gagawin po natin, ito pong negative square root of x plus 6, transpose po natin dito sa may left side. So, negative 2 square root of x plus 6 becomes positive 2 square root of x plus 6 is equals to, so we have x, then 1 plus 6, that is 7, so plus 7. Then, transpose po natin itong 2x minus 2 dito sa may right side. So, positive 2x becomes negative 2x. Then, positive, negative 2 transposed to the right side becomes positive 2. So, 2 square root of x plus 6 is equals to, so x minus 2x, that is negative x. Then 7 plus 2, that is 9. So plus 9. Then gagawin po natin is squared po natin both sides of the equation. Okay, so para makancel po itong square root. Then yung 2, imumultiply po natin ng 2 beses. So cancel po ito, cancel. Then continue po natin dito. So we have 2 times 2, that is 4. Times the quantity, so matitira po dito is x plus 6 equals, okay, so ibig sabihin po nito, dalawang quantity ng negative x plus 9. Okay, so squared po kasi ito. So, expand po natin dito. So, we have quantity negative x plus 9 times the quantity negative x plus 9. Okay, so multiply po natin ito. So, 4x, 4 times x, that is 4x. 4 times 6, that is positive 24. Is equals to, then, multiply po natin ito using the FOIL method. Negative x times negative x, that is positive x squared. So, negative x times 9, that is negative 9x. So, positive 9 times negative x, that is negative 9x. So, 9 times 9, that is 81. So, positive 81. Then, 4x plus 24 is equals to x squared. Then, negative 9x minus 9x, that is negative 18. X plus 81. Then, simplify po natin, combining like terms. So, lahat po ng nasa left side, transpose po natin dito sa my right side. So, we have 0 is equals to, so we have x squared. Then, minus 18x. Okay, so may kapareho po ang 18x, yung 4x. So, transpose po natin dito sa my right side. So, positive 4x becomes negative 4x. Then, plus 81. Okay, so positive 24, 24 transpose to right side, so becomes negative 24. So 0 is equals to x squared. Okay. So negative 18x minus 4x, that is negative 22x. Then 81 minus 24, that is positive 57. Okay. So, meron po tayong quadratic equation. So, we have x squared minus 22x plus 57. So, hahanapin po natin ang factors nito. So, using trial and error method, katulad po ng ginawa natin kanina. Okay. So, kunin po natin ang factors nito at factors po nito. So, ito po ang ating hahanapin, yung nasa middle term na negative 22x. Okay, kunin po natin ang factors nito. X squared, that is x times x. Then, ang factors po ng 57. So, odd number po kasi ito. Kailangan i-divide po natin to sa odd number. So, i-divide po natin ito sa 3. Okay, so hindi pwedeng 1, no? Talo na po tayo, 3. So, we have 57. Divide natin ng 3. Pwede kaya? So, we have 1, 3, then 5. Minus 3, that is 2. Bring down 7. Okay, so 27 divided by 3, that is 9. 9 times 3, that is 27. Okay, so we have 19 times 3 na pwede nating gamitin. So, we have 19 and 3. So, magiging sign po, dahil negative po ito, so negative po ang gamitin nating parehong sign. So, negative times negative, that is positive. So, 19 times 3, that is 57. Okay. So, equals, okay, so multiply po natin. X times negative 19, that is negative 19x. Then, x times negative 3, that is negative 3x. Then, i-add po natin. So, negative 19x minus 3x, that is negative 22x. Okay, so magkapareho po ba? Okay, so magkapareho po dito sa ating middle term. So, ibig sabihin, nakuha na po natin yung ating factors. So, we have x minus 19 at x minus 3. So, ito po ang ating factors. Okay, so burahin lang po natin ito. So, we have 0 is equals to quantity x minus 19 times the quantity x minus 3. Okay, so ito po ang ating factors. Then, kunin na po natin yung value ng x. Unahin po natin ito. So, we have x minus 19 is equals to 0. Then, x is equals to, so transpose negative 19 to the right side becomes positive 19. Okay, so ito po ang una nating value ng x is equals to 19. Then, yung pangalawang value natin, so we have x minus 3 is equals to 0. So, x is equals to, so negative 3 transpose to the right side becomes positive 3. Okay, so ito po yung another value ng x natin. X is equals to 3. Then, i-substitute po natin sa ating original equation. So, para malaman po natin kung alin po dito ang extraneous solution. So, unahin po natin yung x is equals to 19. Okay, substitute po natin dito sa ating original equation. Okay, checking po natin. So, we have square root of 2 times 19 minus 2 minus square root of 19 plus 6 plus 1 is equals to 0. So, we have square root of 2 times 19. That is 38. So we have 38 minus 2 minus square root of 19 plus 6. That is 25. Plus 1 is equals to 0. So 38 minus 2, that is 36. Square root of 36 minus, okay, so square root of 25, that is 5. Plus 1 is equals to 0. So square root of 36, that is 6. Minus 5 plus 1 is equals to 0. Then 6 minus 5, that is 1. Okay. Plus 1 is equals to 0. So we have 1 plus 1, that is 2. Is equals to 0. So hindi po nag-equal. So therefore, x is equals to 19 is an extraneous solution. Okay, so extraneous solution po ito. Okay. So itry po natin yung x is equals to 3 kung mag-fit po sa ating original equation. Okay, so burahin natin po ito. Okay. So substitute po natin x is equals to 3 sa original equation. So we have square root of 2 times 3 minus 2 minus square root of 3 plus 6 plus 1 is equals to 0. So we have square root of 2 times 3, that is 6. So minus 2 minus square root of 3 plus 6, that is 9, plus 1 is equals to 0. So we have square root of 6 minus 2, that is 4, minus square root of 9, that is 3, plus 1 is equals to 0. So square root of 4, that is 2, minus 3, plus 1 is equals to 0. Then 2 plus 1, that is 3, minus 3 is equals to 0. So 0 is equals to 0. Okay, so nag-fit po siya, nag-equal. So therefore, x is equals to 3 is the solution set on this equation. So x is equals to 3 is the true solution. So marami pong salamat sa kanilang panonood, and don't forget to like and subscribe.